At least 20 houses were flooded after underground water gushed out at KRBCA complex of Langol Tarung Grace Colony, located at the southern of Lamphel Waterbody Rejuvenation project. Reportedly, the groundwater seepage was caused by failure of drainage system due to the ongoing construction work of Lamphel Waterbody Rejuvenation project. Groundwater started gushing out at the Manipur pony grazing ground, NIT Lamphel Kombire Laikai, Central Agriculture University, Sijja Hospitals, Ayush Hospital and Grace Colony gradually flooded the areas. The project was implemented at an estimated cost of around 650 crores rupees. Speaking to SKTV News, Chairman Rapan Riamai of Grace Colony Tarung acknowledged the initiative of government. However, citing the size of the project, he drew attention of authority concerned to maintain proper drainage system. He further appealed to the authorities concerned and Minister of Water Resources to address the problem before situation aggravates further.
Lekai si Waterbody yam phane bugi damakta na sembada somhina lekai di sing thomme khoi di sing di laibsi nungaitre adona si maru ina si department kangbu na di yengsenba phanabadi sembhaninge ado ising si kariwarasu karkiroirasu simatang na di sing thoktan badi adum tawhaninge masi tawriba pankhari bisu pingmale wate si kitang chaun lakkan di si ningkhai si yam line ningkhai rakani ado hena khoi gi di lekai si hena problem lakadabne ningkhai Meanwhile,
Ranga Machiru, another resident of Grace Colony, expressed concern over waterborne diseases and appealed to the authorities concerned to tackle the problems immediately.
Right now, we are apprehensive of the fact that the water that has been logging here since yesterday, it is going to lead compulsorily to waterborne diseases, vector-borne diseases, that is compulsory. And school-going children in the morning, they had a problem of going to school, and everyone has been facing a problem. So I appeal to the concerned authorities to kindly look into this at the earliest, because last year, according to the residents, by this time in April, all the drainage were completely dry. But this year, even in April, right now in this temperature, there is this waterlogging problem. So we once again request to look into the ergonomics of whatever is happening here. We welcome the project very wholeheartedly. We just appeal that the drainage outlets are completely prioritized at the earliest. Thank you.